Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Tomarket Airdrop and earn tomato coins for free. So first things first, you want to go to your Telegram and find the Tomarket app bot, the one which is verified. After that, you will be able to play a game and start farming in order to earn some coins. So what you will need to do is go ahead and pop all of these tomatoes. Now you will also get a task which basically gets you some tomato coins. So the first one would be to download BitGet wallet, another to connect it, and maybe trade something on BitGet wallet. Then standard tasks like subscribing to something or following them, and time limited. So basically, once you will complete all of these tasks, you will get some of the coins. And you can also go ahead and invite some friends. Now, if you would go to wallet, you will see that you need to download and connect your BitGet wallet in order to connect it. And once the listing date will be ready, you would be able to withdraw it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.